What it do, y'all? It's your boy Don. So we back with another video, man. By the name of the title of the video, man. Um, yes, we are doing some more maintenance work on the Evo, man. Shout out to Ivan, man, for shout out to Ivan just for trusting me to to work on this car, to do these things on his car. I mean, obviously he's gonna be helping with his car too, so he can learn his car and learn cars in general as well. Excuse me. That was a sneeze, I promise. But and I think we might have another helping hand too, just so he or she can learn the Evo platform too, and just learn other cars in general. So we might have a pair of hands with us today. And so what we're going to be doing on the Evo, or maybe I'll wait till he gets here. But we, like I said, it's just maintenance work, slight maintenance stuff, and we're going to get it rocking, man. So we're just waiting for him to get here. He should be on his way. It is what, it's 10:30 right now. But yeah, man, we're gonna get it rocking. So I'm gonna just start like setting up and whatnot, and we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it cracking, baby. So let's get it. Oh yeah. All right, gang, we back with it, man. Look who's here. Ivan's here now. Getting him to work on his own shit, cause fuck this guy. So you know. So as y'all see, we got the Evo, the big Evo 10 in the building, man. If y'all don't know, last time we did some work, we did the HKS exhaust on this car. Last time he was here. Yes, sirski. Yep. Big Evo in the building. So right now, like I said, we doing the oil change. Let me get down under here with him so I show him what he looking at. So we got the oil change. We're gonna do spark plugs. We're gonna do the cabin filter. So some quick maintenance stuff, y'all. So let's get down on here. Ooh, these BBSs though. Okay. So yeah, right there. Yep, that one. Just see what size fits it best. That's 19, 17. So right now we're under the car with Ivan. About to loosen it. I would turn it the other way just so you have better, just so you have better grip on that. So yeah, man, we're about to loosen, about to drain the oil, and then change the filter, and then yeah, man, Ivan's doing his own oil change. So big shouts out to Ivan, man.
Gotta learn.
teaching my boy how to do some slight shit on his own car. But yeah, just crack it loose, and then bring the pan in. But yeah, like I said, I ain't gonna bore y'all with too much of that. So we're gonna get rocking and rolling with this, and I'll turn it back. Blah. Can't talk today, y'all. I'll turn the camera back on soon. Oh, by the way, y'all, I forgot. This was a whole full exhaust, damn near. I forgot. If y'all can see. Oh, this whole full exhaust that goes all the way back there. I forgot. But hell yeah. Seeing y'all back with it. Putting the oil going in the car. Yeah. Look at that technique. It's all about the technique and the wrist. So next, doing the oil, filling up with oil. Next, we're gonna do the spark plugs. Got the good old NGK spark plugs. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. The camera would focus. But we got some NGK spark plugs right here, boy. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Yeah. NGK spark plugs, part number for anybody who needs some NGK spark plugs for Evo 10. We just put this tire back on. We had to check this tire because this joint just loses air. So we checked that tire for no nails, nothing, no leaks, no nothing. Regular maintenance shit. Yes, sir. And now, after there's all this maintenance, so now, after this good maintenance, step over here a little bit, away from the air pump. So after that good maintenance, now we can finally get Ivan to come outside to some car meets. Now that his maintenance work is done. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm sweating like a motherfucker, y'all. But yeah, hopefully we get Ivan outside now to the car meets. That's about to be lit. So it looks like he just finished with the oil, putting the oil in the car. We're gonna check the oil level on our dipstick. Once that checks out, then we're gonna move on to putting the spark plugs in, and then the cabin filter, and then boom, the job here is done. But yeah, man, let me get this camera turned around real quick, and then we're gonna go on from there. We got Bay outside. Y'all already know who that is. She famous. Y'all already know who that is right there. Hell yeah. But I think I don't know, man. Drop down in the comments below, man. What y'all think? Should Ivan become a mechanic? I think he's ready at this point. I think he should become a mechanic now. Man, Duncan saved the day, y'all. Shout out to Duncan. I'm still waiting for my sponsor, man. I've been going hard with Duncan since like 2012, over a decade. Man, what's up, Dunkin' Donuts? Holla at your boy. But yeah. All right, tell him what you just did, Ivan. We just
with 10mm bolts off each of these connectors,
yes,
I believe.
Like I said, you already know. We got these NGK spark plugs right here. So next, you can take all these out. You can take them out like individually, or you can take them out all at once, however you feel comfortable with. And then and this way, by kind of like leaving the harness on, you can kind of tell which one goes where.
Yeah.
Because at times you don't want to like mix like these up and put them in like different cylinders. You kind of want to put them in the same cylinder you took them out. Gotcha. So now this is already on loosen. So you take that and just put it down in there. Make sure it's attached to the spark plug and just crank them loose. Yeah. Hell yeah. While he does that, y'all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take each of these spark plugs individually out the box. That way so he can get the new ones as he take the old ones out. So yeah, man, let's get it. He definitely bamboozled me, y'all. But nah, man, this is great. I love to see it, man. I love to see it. And then obviously, you know, came to the right place, came to the right person, your boy. Say, all right. But yeah, man, we got this. We getting this maintenance shit down. Everything's pretty much done. You just gotta do the cabin filter, and that's it, really. Just the cabin filter and that's it. Oh my god, this joint's about to run so much better. Fresh spark plugs, fresh oil change, fresh cabin filter. Some NGKs, baby. Yeah. Big shouts out to NGK. Yes, sir. Alright. Hell yeah. Hold on, joints are tight. Shit. Take that. Pop that engine cover back on. Pop the new cabin filter in, man. And this joint is complete. I would say we, but this guy, just got finished with his maintenance on his car. I just supervised. We just supervised. He did all the work. We just supervised him. But everything's good, man. He did the oil change. Did the spark plugs, did the cabin filter. Obviously, you know, I double checked them just to be sure. But man, he ain't need me for real, for real. Honestly, a little capping ass. He be lying. He ain't need me for real, for real. He just needed my equipment. That's all. But yeah, we got everything all done, man. We about to start it up. Actually, let's start it up and let's see how it sounds. Fresh oil change, fresh spark plugs. Still a little quiet, but that's all right, man. We got no lights on. Sounds good. Sounding good. Ooh, it's a little louder, man. Let's go for a test drive. Come on. Come on. We all gonna go. We're all gonna go for a test drive. Come on. We all better go for this test drive real quick. So let's get it. All right. We're recording. Gang. We in the test drive. You know. We got. I'm in the car for one. I'm in the car. All right. We got Ivan in the car, and then we got the infamous camera woman behind the camera, Bianca. Y'all already know her. She's in every video. She's famous, or she's famous as hell. Y'all already know who the hell it is.
Just drive.
Right. We just gonna go for a test drive, you know. Nothing crazy. Who knows? But I'm crazy, so. But it also isn't my car. So. Are they moving? They must be moving. Yeah, hey. Y'all literally just moved in this neighborhood, like not even like a year ago.
Babe.
Yes.
Music.
Oh yeah, Ivan trying to get me copyrighted. How dare he? Trying to get us copyrighted, y'all. Yeah, I'm actually liking it right here too. This actually feels good. This shit right here. I like that just as much as the paddle shoes. I want to hear a little noise. Oh man, that's what we fucked up. You gotta turn this traction control off too. Turn that traction all the way off. Sorry, we gotta get busy. Let's really see what this Evo can do. Any Evo. Yes, they pause. It's stopped, but it's like, it's fun. But that's not what we're checking for, guys. We're just doing maintenance driving. Ooh, that blow off sounds. This thing is solid as hell. I don't know, y'all. Drop down in the comments below if y'all think I should get an Evo.
I knew it. It was coming. It was coming.
I'll settle GTI and get an Evo. Hey, my man, don't go in the car wash. Come to Demi Don's Detailing. So yeah, it's like if you're like driving like this, if you're gonna be like doing pulls like that, you can shift higher. It's like, and sometimes it's better for the car too. Shifting like higher RPMs.
It's fun.
car and